Porsche has always focused on finding smart ways to turn high performance into speed and success. It's about making the most of the possibilities.
Das ist Porsche.
That's Porsche.
Ich bin Tyron
I'm
Ricketts.
Tyron Ricketts. To my mind, the 911 is the perfect sports car. I'm a Porsche fan.
Und Sie?
What about you? Is it not important to you what's under the hood? All you care about is that your car gets you from A to B? In that case, there's nothing for you here.
Schauen Sie
Go
sich die
watch
bei uns
something
an.
else. What I'm about to show you is a statement on 4 wheels. For 55 years now, it has been the epitome of sporty driving. Loud and strong and self-confident. But it's not for show-offs. You don't get into this car to make yourself look bigger or better. You get in to feel at home. What's for certain is that it not only has to match your personality, it also has to suit your life. The 911 is one of the world's few truly iconic automotive designs. It's immediately recognizable, even if you only see its silhouette. And that's also true for this new model. It's a timeless machine.